we here? We're at Success Series at the Travel Office. And we're here with the awesome Christina Palermo. And somebody just asked her a great question. I'd love you to answer for everybody how you get a buyer-broker agreement signed just about every time.
Okay, so like I said before, sometimes I'll take the client out to look at a few properties. Sometimes I talk about the buyer-broker agreement on the phone, but at some point with the meeting or when I'm with them on the phone, I just let them know that I'm going to be representing them in the sale of the home, in purchasing a home. I explain to them it's just like listing a property. When you list a property, you have a contract you sign so that you're allowed to list the property, and it's the same thing with a buyer. I want to work with you. I want to give you 100% of my time and 100% of my commitment, but I want that back from you in return. That's what I tell them. I say, this is how I run my business. So we can go look at a few houses, we can get to know each other, but moving forward, we will be signing the buyer-broker agreement, because as a buyer, you're not paying the agent. The seller pays the agent. So I want to make sure that I'm spending my time wisely driving you around or meeting you. I don't drive people around.
You meet them at the
I don't drive anybody around.
Well, they can't get in your truck.
No, they cannot get in my Jeep anyway. But I want to make sure that I'm with somebody who's committed and ready to buy. I also do not show properties unless they are fully qualified. They have to have a pre-qualification form. I have had to talk to the lender and make sure they are truly ready to go, and that they don't have any credit issues, and that it's a legitimate pre-qual. And if they are buying cash, I ask to see proof of funds, because I want to make sure that they actually are ready to buy, because I don't want to spend the time to do that if they're not serious and ready to go. So at some point in the conversation, I just tell them we are going to be doing the buyer-broker agreement. It's basically your commitment to me and my commitment to you, and that's when we'll move forward. If for some reason we have a disagreement and we don't want to work together anymore, that's fine. We can get rid of it, but it's never happened to me. So I just say it matter-of-factly, this is how I run my business, and nobody ever says no.
Plus, now for you newer people too, and I love that. That is awesome. And for you, for some of you newer people too, plus taking this into consideration, you also have a fiduciary responsibility to everybody else in MLS to not show their homes to people that don't qualify to buy them. So that was one of the reasons I used. I need to know you qualify. We need to be working together. And I used to add to that, you need to hire me, right? So awesome stuff.